In my case, I will download a specific purchase agreement. Sorry, 49.96. I could use it downloading using the form too, but in this case, I want to download a specific line. Then, for example, the line number 2. I could come here, download using the cheat data, and then that will download the VPA. And then if you see here, download all the information for that particular VPA. I will copy this line, not with the line number because I don't want the line number. And I will copy also information for the price break. And I will say here, add in the line action and add on the break action. And I will just take out that break ID. And if you see that information, I could put here some other stuff like list price. I would put that this is 5, and the price break instead of 100 will be like 150 the break quantity, and will be like 7 the break price. Obviously, this information don't make a lot of sense, but you at least understand what I'm doing there. I just copy paste from another line and then make the changes. I will ensure that the process option is as update. I will press upload and submit concurrent program. And then there you will have how to add that line after you put the parameters. Press submit, view request, completed, refresh. If I come here, see that now the VPA appeared, everything completed. If I download that VPA again, 49.96, and then you will see that here also will put automatically the information for that line, the line 23, and additionally I will have the information for the price break there. If you want to close or cancel, for example, in this case at line, the old line number 2, you will need to come to the blanket purchase agreement, look for the PO close. We will say create new. Take out this comment. It's important that you read that. And I will put here 49.96 and the line number 2. Let's see if that works when I say here download using the sheet data. And here is this line number 2. And then I could just close this line and I will say finally close and close reason a new line was created. And I will say okay. I will upload this. And we'll finish with this. If you see here, I download this stuff. I will download now the 49.96. I will don't put any restriction. Say yes. And if you see there, my line number 2 is closed.